Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to do our Make Your Picks Savings Challenge, our Halloween Mania, and our Mini Mondays. So we'll go ahead and get started with our Make Your Picks from Kimmy's Budgets on YouTube, or Kimmy's Budget on Etsy, and Beijing Girl Budgets on YouTube. So let's see if I can get it out. For week 6, I did terrible. I got 6 right and 9 wrong, so that's $27 that we will go ahead and put in our, I need a dollar. Let me get that out really quick. All right, so we got $27 for week 6, and I know week 7 we'll be finishing up, I think it's tomorrow night, or I guess that would be Monday night. I'm filming this on Sunday night. But I do not follow football at all, so I could care less about the actual football games. But so far in 6 weeks, we have saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and $39. So $139. That sounds awesome. And we are not even halfway through the 18 weeks of the NFL, so I'm excited to see how much that's going to save us. This is the first time I am doing this challenge, and then here are my week 7 picks, and then we'll come back next time and see how we did. So again, that is from Beijing Girl Budgets on YouTube and Kimmy's Budgets on Etsy. And then we're going to go ahead and do our Halloween Mania. We're going to do $10 today to try to get at least these specific minis done in the next 2 weeks. So we shall see. So I have my $10 in prop coins. I normally do like $5 to $7, so this will be interesting to see how far we get. All right, and we ended off on number 2. I put I think it was $10 in this over the weekend, so that's why some of the challenges might be different from Friday's video, but that is why it might be different. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. So I did put some felt in here, and I put it on all of the stair steps down on the inside, so it really quiets the noise. I want to try it out before I offer it on Etsy to make sure that it works and it kind of stands up. I'm going to give it a few days. My daughter already put, I was doing something in the kitchen and she found a glue stick, and there was glue stick all in it, so it had to get washed out, but it survived that. So it's definitely significantly quieter that I have noticed. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to notice on camera, but it'll definitely help for the late night filming or the early morning filming. So once I have tested this out enough, and I was not paying attention to what I was doing. So once I've tested it out for a few days, I'm going to then offer it on Etsy. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do it because Etsy only allows you so many ways of ordering something on there, if it makes sense. But I hope everybody had a great weekend. Unfortunately, it is Monday. I keep getting ones now. I want to... All right, so that wanted 3. We only had 2, so we'll go ahead and start here tomorrow. Yeah, so Monday, Mondays are no fun. All right, so we did finish our 3 up yesterday. So we're starting with the number 2, and we got $1.50. So we'll go ahead and mark that over here. So that part only needs, we need 50 cents. So, and then the last $2, and that one will be done. All right, and this next one is from Budgeting with Lysandra. And I made each one of the letters $1. So this one got us $1.50. So, excuse me, I'm gonna roll over the 50 cents because I don't know if I want to risk getting confused with coloring half of the letter. All right, and challenge number 3, got a quarter rollover, and this one is from Budget with Miss P, and this just needed $2 to finish, so we got $1, $1.75. Oh, so we're going to roll this quarter over. We're going to mark out, if I can figure my life out, mark off the $1.50. And challenge number 4 is Toria's budget, and each of these icons is $1, so we got $1.50. So we can finish that guy, and we just need $2 to finish this one up. Fantastic. Oh, this one we got a lot. So number 5 might be finished. Oh, maybe not. It got $1 and $2 and $2.25. So we can finish 2, and we will roll over that quarter for tomorrow. And then our last challenge here is from Kip and Lou, and it got $1.75. So we will be able to cross off one ghost and finish that one. And we will roll over this 25 cents to tomorrow. So we may or may not be able to finish 1 or 2 of these tomorrow. We shall see. That's exciting. And everything in this binder for this month is going to go to debt. So that's exciting at the end of the month to see how much those little mini challenges have saved us. And then we're going to go with our minis. All right, we got our 6 minis. And we'll lay them out here. And we have our 51s, and I also have some buyback cash. All right, we're going to use our D3 again, and we're going to start at number 1, and whatever the die says, that's how many bills we're going to do. All right, 2 seems to be the lucky number. Here we go. 1. 1. 1. And I'm throwing the die. Well, number 1 just only wants $1 a piece each time. Hopefully everybody's Monday is going well. I know my youngest has a dental appointment, so I won't be at work all day, so that'll be nice. I'll be able to get some orders out to the post office after her appointment. All right, we only have $1 left, and that will go to challenge number 1. And we'll go ahead and move our paper clip to number 2 for next week. Maybe, if I can get it. There we go. It seems like that $50 seems like it went a little bit further this time for some reason. I don't know why. All right, so challenge number 1 is, I don't know. I'm not sure. I know I got these off of a coffee shop, but I'm not sure who it is. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So go ahead and exchange that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So altogether, so far, this one has $5, $6, $7, $8, and $9. I know this came with a bunch of challenges, like mini challenges, but because it's an odd number, I didn't put it in my tiny binder. All right, and challenge number 2, is our 30 envelope helper. So we're on envelope 16. So today I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, I'll go ahead and swap that out. And we will mark off a 5. We are getting down to the nitty gritty on that one. I am going to do 2 bonuses. So I'm going to put a $20 bonus in there next time. All right, and challenge number 3 is from Kimmy's Budgets, and it is our Sam's Club savings. Each one of these is $2. And today we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. So we can do 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will go to our Sam's Club shopping. So altogether so far we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, and $28. So altogether I think this one will save us 40. Because I think there is 20 icons. So we're almost done with that one. And then challenge number 4 is from Budgeting with Lisa. And each one of these is $2. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'll go like again. All right. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 7. So we just need 2 more dollars to finish this one. We'll go ahead and take those 2 5s for our last 10, and we have $12 saved. Is that no? $22. I can't count. It's late. It's 10 o'clock at night on a Sunday. I should be getting ready for bed, but I'm not. I am doing this video, and then I'm going to be finishing up a couple of orders so I can get those shipped out tomorrow. All right, and this next one is from Floating Funds, and today I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can go ahead and mark off 7. We're getting close to having this one done. And today, altogether, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. I think this one will save us 30? 25? I don't remember. All right, and our last challenge, seems like I got all the money. This one is from PR Money Roll, where MH Finland on Etsy. I got this free with an order I placed on her Etsy. So today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Perfect. So I got $11. So let's see. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So one only needs $2 more to finish, and we just put that one in last week. So we got 5, 10, 15, and 16. Awesome. Well, we did not finish any challenges today, guys, but that is okay. And I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.